welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today we're just going to be going out doing some errands. I have all three of my girls here with me. Need to go and pick up a few things, go on a small grocery haul as well. Just going to take you guys along with me. And you go check them in. Just a few days back from our trip to Alabama, so we are needing my home. We're out of quite a few things actually, but I'm just going to grab a few today. Some toiletries, some more groceries, and some things for the girls to do, as well as some snacks. So we're just going to go ahead and pick those up and get a few more errands done. Okay everyone, so we took another trip to Aldi to do a little grocery shopping. This time we did not spend as much as we did on the previous trip because we still have quite a bit of food left over from the last trip. So this time we got some strawberries, some mini peppers, bananas, and grabbed 3 packs of hot dog buns. Grab 3 packs of cheese, 2 packs of eggs, some regular bagels, as well as some mini bagels here. We grabbed 3 things of hot dog buns, 1 pack of hamburger buns, 2 packs of regular bread. I also have 2 packs of the ranch dressing mix, a pack of real bacon bits. Up and down here I forgot to show that I did get a pack of the tomatoes on the vine. It's 6 to a pack. I think they are $1.99 for that pack. Back here I got 2 things of sour cream, 1 container of heavy whipping cream. In the front here I have a box of mashed potatoes, 3 boxes of honey buns for my daughter's snack. I have 2 boxes of ranch and bacon pasta, and a box of the penne noodles. Come around front, we have 4 cans of each canned vegetable. So we have 4 cans of the sliced carrots, 4 cans of the sweet corn, 4 cans of the green beans. And over here we only grabbed 2 packs of the chicken wings this time. They were out. Didn't have time to wait for them to bring any more out to the front. I grabbed 1 pack of the chicken breast, 1 pack of the thin center cut pork chops, 1 pack of the assorted pork chops as well, 1 container of the hamburger ground beef, 1 pack of the chicken drumsticks, and 1 pack of leg quarters. Okay, so over on this table I have a pack of celery, 2 packs of lettuce, 2 packs of broccoli, a package of spinach, a bag of white potatoes, a large container of apple cider vinegar. I have some barbecue sauce back here, 2 things of ranch dressing. My husband picked up a container of balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I have a small container of honey. Right next to it I have 2 containers of the tomato, basil, and garlic spaghetti sauce. Right back here I have a large container of seasoned salt. I have a can of olive oil, I have a big package of all-purpose flour in the back. In front of it, I have a container of salsa. And then I have this cheese dip that I use. Really don't use it as for dip. I normally put it in my, here I have a package of my favorite coffee that I get from Aldi's. It's the French vanilla. Let you guys get a closer look. Whenever the camera decides that it wants to get into focus. I have this big container of oatmeal. I think that huge container is $2.99. Right next to it, we also love to get their dry cereal. I think it is between $1.19 and I think the highest is maybe what, $1.59, if I'm not mistaken. This is just a cheaper version of the Honey Smacks. They taste just like them. My daughter Destiny loves to get these Berry Kit Crunch. It's like the Kit, what is it, Captain Crunch cereal. And back there we have 3 boxes of the crispy oats. They're just like the Honey Nut Cheerios. Taste just like them. Over here we have 3 packs of chewy chocolate chips. Back there I have another bag of the cheesy puffs, a bag of pretzels, and that concludes everything that I got from Aldi's. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. May God bless you all and take care.